tips and tricks to get rid of constipation naturally. The digestive system of your body is responsible for several functions such as breaking down the food so that your body is able to absorb water and nutrients. If it does not function properly, you suffer from constipation. Constipation occurs when your body's digestive system loses the ability to break down the food consumed. Thus, the waste inside your body resides for more time in the colon. This is the time when the colon extracts water from the residing waste. There are different foods that help you to reduce constipation in a natural manner. Some of them are discussed here. Applesauce. All of us have surely heard the phrase saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Applesauce can turn out to be the perfect remedy for constipation. But always remember that when applesauce consumed in excess can make your stool firmer. You can use applesauce to make this simple recipe. All you need is 1 cup of applesauce and some unprocessed wheat or oat bran. Mix them properly in 1 cup of prune juice. After the mixture is ready, try to consume 2 tablespoons every day for 2 weeks. You can also store the mixture in the refrigerator. Make sure to consult your doctor before taking any decision. Apples and pears. Apples are the house of natural fibers. It contains all the essential compounds which can make your digestion easier and keep your digestive system safe and sound. Apple contains an insoluble fiber which is known as sorbitol. Apple has the ability to promote bowel movements in your body. You can prepare yourself a glass of apple juice and drink them twice a day. A mixture of apple and pear juice can also prove to be effective as pears also contain the insoluble fiber, sorbitol. This mixture can alleviate mild constipation. All you need to do is take 1 apple and a pear and chop them into small pieces. Blend it well into a juicer. Apples and prune. It is believed that prune also contains sorbitol, and this insoluble fiber acts as a laxative. It triggers the intestines to move, which serves as a great remedy for constipation as it tends to soften the stool. Make a mixture of apple and prune juice and drink this mixture for 3 times a day. Drinking this mixture can calm your constipation. Black seeds. Black seeds aim at improving your health by providing healthier digestive conditions. It helps to remove the harmful toxins from your body. Olive leaves. Constipation can make you feel uncomfortable. Olive leaves relieve you from that pain and stop your constipation. The bowel movements are improved. Flax seeds. The high amount of fiber content in flax seed act as a natural remedy to reduce constipation. The omega-3 fatty acid content in flax seed offers several health benefits. Constipation can sometimes be harmful and can cause serious medical conditions. The mentioned natural remedies can help you to get rid of your old painful constipation. Thank you for watching. If this video was useful, please click on the like button and subscribe to be notified with more useful videos.